we go, 7-minute meal. Turn your skillet on, take a big piece of plastic wrap, put it across your kitchen counter. That's gonna be for pounding out of the chicken. We're working with a couple of chicken cutlets here. That means when you go to the meat case or the butcher case, little EVOO is going into the pan right now. We want the pan to get really, 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 really hot. Per person, you only need 1 cutlet. We're gonna make an Italian-style chicken salad with a grilled chicken on the bottom, a pesto cream gravy over the top, and then salad piled up on top of that. Gorge. Really good one for after work when you're totally exhausted. So then we take another piece of plastic wrap, gives yourself room to groove, because we're gonna squish these guys even flatter than they already are. Okay? More plastic wrap on top, take a little bitty frying pan, whack the heck out of that chicken. Oh, it's fun, I love this meal, I love it. Once the chicken is flat as a pancake, you go ahead and pop that sucker open, keeping the chicken oog side down, and pop it in your GB, your little old garbage bowl there. Then we're gonna hit it with a little bit of balsamic vinegar action over the lovely chicken cutlets. Gonna hit it with a little bit of salt, pepper action. Nice. Excellent. Gonna use some tongs, very carefully reaching into the drawer with the sharp objects in it. Going to put the seasoned side down into the hot skillet and let those babies start working. So we're gonna make our salad next. Store-bought arugula or any greens you like, or baby spinach. These are triple washed, ready to go. A fast cook's friend, the pre-washed greens. Arugula in the bowl. Gonna roll the lemon to get the juices flowing on the counter, or you can pop it in the microwave for a good 10 seconds. That also gets the juices flowing. Cut the lemon, always squeeze it, cut side up so the seeds stay with the lemon and not in your salad bowl. Squeeze the lemon juice down. Oh, lemon juice on that. Nice fresh, oh, that's nice. Excellent for me. Okay, awesome for me. So then, a little bit of olive oil down over the top of that. Excellent. And a little bit of salt. And then we're gonna flip that around with our tongs. And the salad is good to go. Lemon juice, EVOO. Very simple, very healthy, very figure-friendly, our little 7-minute meal here. Okay, now I'm gonna see if the bird is ready to be flipped here. It is, it's looking gorgeous. Gonna crank that heat a little. It's almost time to make the sauce in the pan, so we need to grab both some pesto and some flour from the back counter here. Also on hand, I pulled, when I was getting ready over the break, popped the chicken stock out of the fridge. We're gonna make our gravy out of that. And a little splash of cream, or you can use half and half, even whole milk. Just a little splash at the end, make it all nice and light and creamy. So now we got the chicken. It's done, because it's nice and thin. Gonna bring the chicken out of the pan. I've already got some EVOO in there. I'm gonna add a little bit of butter to it. Let that cook. Excellent. And then, once that butter melts down, I'm gonna add a couple tablespoons of flour. That's gonna be our thickening agent. We're gonna make a little bit of roux. Sprinkle that on in there. Let the flour cook for a minute so it doesn't taste like paste. It tastes like nice and lightly nutty. We get that all mixed up together. And that's gonna help thicken up our stock. There we go. Add a little bit of stock in there. Oh, what a pretty color that is. Nice. Little splash of cream, or half and half. Take it off the fire. Looking beautiful. If it's a little too thick for you, you can add a splash more stock. That's looking very, very lovely right there. And then big finish for the sauce anyway. We're gonna take a little spoon and stir in some nice pesto. Makes it nice and herby and delicious. Now stir that in after you pull the gravy off the heat, because you don't want it to lose all of its pretty green color. Look at that groovy pesto gravy, baby. Oh, baby, 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 baby. Pretty baby. Pour the pesto sauce down over the chicken. Hello, how you doing? Arugula salad coming up on top and right at you there. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. On top of that, big garnish finish. Oh, please, 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 please let me find. My time is running out. Where is it? My vegetable peeler. Vegetable peeler. Oh, forget it. You know what? Oh, there it is. I found it. Hello, fella. Come here. Vegetable peeler. Big finish. Big finish. We're going to grate some cheese down over the top with our vegetable peeler. Big, pretty curls. Did we make the 7 minutes?